I've seen it in intermediate dancers, I've seen it in advanced dancers, I've even seen it in some belly dance teachers. There's this one thing that keeps dancers at a mediocre level, and if you learn this one skill, begin to learn this one skill, it will just skyrocket you to belly dance superstardom. Marhaba dancers, I am Jensuya, and in this belly dance break, we are going to learn the skill that's going to unlock the mystery of improvisational belly dance. And that skill is learning what the beat is of the music, how to count the beat, and how to match your moves to the beat. That's the magic of belly dance. Since belly dancing is putting the music on your body with a certain aesthetic, in order to be a great belly dancer, you first have to understand the music. The simplest way to begin learning to count the music and match your moves is to start with a simple 4-beat rhythm. So we can count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. If we do that, clap that beat in slow motion, 1, 2, you notice when our hands are apart, there's space, which often in belly dance music, especially by the drum, is filled with lots of decoration. So we can put that space between the beats, it's called the offbeat, with a word. Many musicians will say and. So we can go like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we've marked the beat and the offbeat. We have taken the beat and divided it into 2. So now we have 8 sounds going on in those 4 beats. Yeah, there we are to math and fractions again. So let's now try the belly dance sway, hitting the beat, the numbers, and the offbeat, the ands. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, we can do it again. We can cut each half beat in half again. And many musicians use vowels to mark that sound, like this: 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Okay, so what does that have to do with belly dance? Well, if you have, let's say, a hip drop, you want to have your drop on the beat. So you need to be raising your hip before the beat. You can see how we break this down in our belly dance break on hip drop. And we start with 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a. Well, when we want to speed it up, we can hit the 1 and the and. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. Or we want to go faster, we can hit all 4 of these. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. So in this same way, we can do that with other moves, like a shoulder shimmy. You can check out the belly dance break that goes into detail on how to do the shoulder shimmy. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. Or 1 E and a, 2 E and a. The same thing applies to all of your belly dance moves. How does just this simple counting 1 E and a, 2 E and a thing going to skyrocket you from mediocrity into belly dance superstardom? Well, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take a lot of practice, and here's how you can start. Every time you listen to the music, listen for the beat. Check out our belly dance break on finding the beat so that whether you're driving the car, doing the dishes, whatever, you're identifying the beat. Voila! So that is the very beginning of learning how to count and break down the beat of the music. All right, if you found value, smash the like button. Now, smash it. Share it with your friends, subscribe, leave us your comments, and let us know what worked for you and what you're like, hey, I need to learn more of this. Look at our belly dance break on shoulder shimmies. on hip drops, on finding the beat in music, on music speak, and all the other stuff. All right, ma salama.